Yeah. And I went to the hotel.
Oh yeah, the Queen Mary ship. Don't say that. Anyway, we are on the ship now officially, but we're looking for a room because it's not on the map and we don't know where it is.
Oh, the way to go here and then turn.
Okay, let's keep going. It's pretty like... These colors are a bit scary, yeah? Kind of looks like hospital colors.
Right, boom.
Guys, we found food! Oh, and the harbor bridge! In this side!
I like that. I like that.
We are here on the cruise on deck 11 and it's like a party bird, like anyway, and there is a pool down there on the level below and there's a bar. Oh, I think we have to get it from the front desk. Oh look, it's the rock climbing thing up there. They have the rock climbing wall, tennis, and then they have mini golf. Mini golf. Yeah. And they have the flow rider. I'll show you. That's the flow rider. Going straight, flying out of into the harbor bridge. Opera House.
That is the left side of the ship when facing forward, and odd-numbered muster stations are located on the starboard side. That is the right side of the ship when facing forward. Deck 5.
Any 80s clothing? Actually, I do. Mine's kind of 80s. So is these pants. Oh yeah. Icy version? Oh, he said it's Malibu.
But I think it's like orange juice or something. On the elevator.
It's a video.
Cocktail.
You have to guess the weight of this cat.
18.5.
It's for free, guys.
It's like more soft. It's like and this one's
I like so much. Thank you.
Sorry, because you get more like the bones. The
bones.
Yeah, I hate the bones. I love bones.
Is that a real life dog?
Yeah.
Or is that a statue?
It's a real one. Is it a statue? Are you silly?
we are finally moving.
What time did we get on? What time did we get here?
2 o'clock.
11. What time did we get onto the boat? Ship? 2? 1:30 because of her. She
Now
blamed
we are
the staff member.
Free cake.
Yeah, free cake, free cookies. Disney. Yep.
Wait, look, I'll stand still.
I think you're just moving yourself now.
Yeah.
Oh,
No, it's really
actually moving.
Moving away.
The ship is moving, you guys. Because we just had some lunch.
Lighting
And
is
because
there.
the food is included, why not? Ow. Oh my.
That's good lighting.
Ew. We just had some drinks. We're going to have some dinner.
Okay, let's go.
Because it's 8 o'clock now.
It's not
Almost.
20 minutes.
Huh?
Almost, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, awkward.
Let's say pakado.
Is it really? No. Okay. We're in the casino.
To like a fancy place. And then he's just like, well, what is this? Come on, this one.
So guys, this place is a bit too fancy for us. We're like, what do we do? Like, what are we supposed to eat? They give us
What are you
bread.
getting? What are you getting?
I love how he always gets left last. What did he get? It's soup. He's so disappointed. So the first one was starters, obviously, and that is main course. He's missing out, guys. His food is
Lava cake.
oh, he's the last one.
Chocolate cake. Chocolate.
Yeah, bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Tell me your first impression.
Okay, no.
It's like he's born with a well.
It didn't crack. It tastes good.
Oh.
This is ice cream. I already had it in my bag.
Well, how was it?
It was great. A little sweet. Especially for me, that's new.
The bunker bed.
Bunker.
Bangkok đây là